Blur is now worth $0.608674, which is $0.096796 more than it was 3 months ago. As the market improves over the next 12 months, Blur is expected to grow a lot. With a score of 52 out of 100, Blur is currently showing no signs of change. Blur will likely be worth $1.10 by the end of 2023, according to a bullish estimate. 144 hours have passed since Blur's last sale. After going through a bad market, Blur has seen a lot of growth in the past year. Blur is likely to hit a high point of $2.31 in the next few years, thanks to its recent growth. Blur investors have seen returns of over 7.91% on their money this past week, thanks to the bullish time the stock has been in. After looking at Blur's technical signs, we think that the price might go down a little over the next few days. Blur is worth $0.608674 right now, and it is ranked #107th among all cryptocurrencies. Blur has a total market value of $913,047,839, and there are 1,500,183,183 coins in circulation right now. Blur's price has gone down by 1.48% in the last 24 hours. Blur has grown steadily over the past week, rising 7.91%. Investors in Blur are happy with the return on their money this week, thanks to this rise. In the past 30 days, the price of Blur has gone down by 16.13%, or $0.117061, from its previous value of $0.725736. Blur is in a dip right now because of this downturn. In the past 90 days, the price of Blur has gone up by 18.91%, adding $0.096796 to its value from $0.511878. Should you buy Blur now? We think that Blur might have a small correction over the next few days, based on the technical signs we looked at. Investors should wait to buy Blur until after the correction. Is Blur a good stock to buy? Based on the way Blur is moving, our technical research shows that this cryptocurrency is a good buy right now. Should you put money into Blur? Based on our price prediction, our research shows that Blur is a good buy right now. What's next for Blur? Blur has strong fundamentals, and a lot of people have invested in this coin. This means that we think the future looks bright for Blur. How high can Blur get? This year, the average price of Blur might be more than $0.913012. The price of Blur will likely go above $4.14 in the next 5 years.